beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Look at this. Bright sunshine. Going across the bridge, across the James River. I think it's James River. I'm not 100% sure where I am. I'm just following my GPS on the way home. I came across this bridge the other direction. Now we're going to go this way. As you can see, the sun is shining. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 15 degrees centigrade. There's not much wind now. This morning was really, really windy. This is a bridge that is not separated in any way, so it's quite skinny and a very old bridge. And just up here past another work, there is some road work going on, so I am going to have to either stop or slow down. I'm not sure which, but we'll see when we get there. My Drift Ghost X decided to lock itself up and not work properly anymore, so this is my GoPro Sessions 5, which I've attached to the front of my fairing. That's why there's no movement in it. And I thought I'd take film this way. I have to do voiceover because I cannot attach a microphone to this camera. And as you see, the traffic ahead of me has stopped, and I'm going to have to stop up behind this SUV. But look at the sun off the water, isn't this wonderful? And here's some pictures I took earlier, and that's it. Just a short video, just want to have some fun.